So I'm here with the 2006 Jeep Commander that has the 4.7 liter V8 engine, and my tiny project for this morning is changing the oil. I'm going to start by popping the hood and removing the oil cap so the oil flows better when we remove the drain plug. And since I'm doing a quick visual inspection, I'll need to remove this front skid plate. There's a total of 4 fasteners, 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. You'll need a 13mm socket for removal. We have access to our starter, the drain plug facing the passenger side, the steering rack. We can check the condition of both motor mounts and check the oil pan for any leaks. But if you're just changing the oil, you don't need to remove this skid plate because it has an access hole towards the passenger side you can reach the drain plug through, and you'll need a 13mm socket for removal. Now that we have the drain plug tightened up, we're moving on to the oil filter, which is next to the crankshaft pulley on the driver's side. And the best thing about removing this oil filter is the chutes and ladder style drain that prevents oil from dripping all over the chassis. I'm double checking to make sure the filter gasket came off and isn't stuck to the housing. The new filter is K&N, part number HP-2004. I'm rubbing a little oil on the gasket before installation to provide a better sealing surface. This Jeep takes 6 quarts of 530 motor oil.